So we have u is x cubed plus 3xy minus y squared, and we want to find all of these derivatives. So let's start with du dx. We are going to get 3x squared. Now, for the middle term, remember 3y is a constant, so if we differentiate, the x just goes down to 1, and we end up with 3y. And for the y squared term, of course, that's just a constant, so that's going to disappear. Now, let's do du dy. So the x cubed term at the beginning will be considered to be a constant, that will disappear. For the 3xy, we're considering now the 3x is a constant, so when we differentiate, that will just become 3x, and then we're going to get minus 2y. So from there, let's do d2u dx squared. So that means differentiating this one again with respect to x. The second term we can see is just a constant now, and 3x squared would differentiate to 6x. Let's do this one and do d2u dy squared. And the first term is a constant, and the second term would differentiate to negative 2. So now let's come back to this one here and do d2u dx dy. So we're differentiating this one with respect to y. The first term would be considered a constant, so we'll differentiate to 0. And 3y differentiate with respect to y would become 3. And d2u dy dx is produced by differentiating this one with respect to x. So you can see the 2y term is a constant now. 3x differentiates to 3. And so we can see when we compare those that d2u dx dy, that's going to be equal to d2u dy dx. We can see that both of those are equal to 3.